try to talk about XRP here. There might be a little bit of noise in the background, but I'm not sure if you can hear that or not. But I am in the hotel, and we're going to be here till tomorrow. So, yeah, guys. Anyways, let's get into this. XRP, as you can see on the 4-hour chart, this is getting rejected here still at about 63 point, let's say 1 cent. And it's been rejected here the last couple of candles. This candle still got 2 hours 50 minutes on it though. But it's kind of a doji candle, which is not a good thing at the moment. We do want to see this break 63.1 so we can start to move up again. And the next resistance will be a daily resistance, so it won't be as strong as this weekly resistance here, up at about 65 cents. And then at about 67 cents, you're going to have the next resistance as well. We're going to leave the Fibonacci here, this reaccumulation zone, at about 68.2, hopefully. It's not that far away, but still, guys, we got to break it. So after that, there's another daily resistance here at almost 69 cents. That's the only targets I'm going to give you because, yeah, there are a lot more targets up here, but, XRP has been floating down here forever, 50, 60, 40 cents, so... yeah, let's see what it can do, but it does need to start taking out this range that it's been in for quite a while now. You can see it's been here since, well, at least the beginning of July. And yeah, guys, I mean, put this on the daily chart here. You will see that, it did break this trend finally on like the 16th of July. I think I did speak about this. It even almost came down and like retested this as well, we can say. So yeah, I mean, that I would say my line isn't perfect. Maybe that's a good enough retest for me. And since that point, it has been, just going up. So anyways, guys, yeah, let's see what XRP can do. But right now, it looks like it has fallen under this weekly resistance as it is right now. It's not support for us, but it's resistance. But like I said, if it's going to close on a weekly time frame, that's going to be on Sunday. It's only like Tuesday. So still, it has a lot of time to really close above this point. But anyways, guys, let's talk about Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin just got a little bit of a jump because we just got some numbers, some HPI numbers, as you can see here on this little, economic calendar. So we just got that. It did get kind of a slight tick up. It wasn't a major one or anything, but we do have, important numbers coming in about 48 minutes. So you're going to see a little bit of volatility in about 48 minutes. Maybe about 40 or 35 minutes from when I post this video, honestly. But yeah, if you watch this video after, you'll probably see whether it dumped or pumped after this, JOLTS job openings and, consumer confidence. So let's see, guys. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin real quick. I don't have to talk about the calendar now, but we did get a dump yesterday, and you can see this dump continued until, well, about midnight or so, and yeah, since then we've kind of leveled out. Basically, right now we're just kind of floating around a zone that's about $300 or so, but it does look like we're probably going to round out, I would say. Then we've got to come up and test this $300 zone again. It just gets repetitive talking about this $300 zone, unfortunately, but we still got to break it, guys. And after that, probably going to have to come up and break the Fibonacci actually first here at about 68.9. Then you got 69.4. And then I'll probably have to extend this, trend line up, and we'll have to contend with that before we get up to the that last weekly resistance up here at 71.3 or so. After that, it's pretty much blue skies, guys. So yeah, I mean, we don't really have any resistances above that. So we aren't far away. It just feels like we are because we keep dealing with the same resistances here for, so long. But anyways, guys, if you like this video about XRP and Bitcoin, give it a like, subscribe, and activate the bell. Thanks a lot, guys.